The ruling Jubilee administration that it should brace itself to face a united opposition during the 2017 general election. The opposition appears keen to wrestle the vote reach South Rift region, which was Jubilee's stronghold in the last general election. Top opposition leaders Kalonzo Musyoka and Musalia Mudavadi were among leaders, including Baringo Senator Gideon Moi, who attended a high-profile homecoming ceremony for Bomet Governor Isaac Ruto in Bomet town, where talk of possible national super alliance to oust the Jubilee party was announced in the heart of the Jubilee stronghold. Chris Tairu has that story.
Thanksgiving ceremony for Bomet Governor Isaac Ruto, who jetted back in the country from South Africa on Friday, where he had gone to receive special treatment after a tear gas canister landed on his face, provided a political platform to unite opposition leaders. From CODCO Principal Kalonzo Musyoka, Amani Congress Party leader Musalia Mudavadi, Kanu Chairman and Baringo Senator Gideon Moi, governors and legislators affiliated to CORD shared a podium where the main agenda was a vehicle to oust Jubilee in the 2017 general election.
Muliona kama muliangalia runinga, mimi nimewakabidhi Jubilee. Lakini hakikishia hakuna Jubilee itapata kiti huko. Na hapa sasa kumbe wewe watengeneza kwa mwenzako na kwako kwa poromoka. Huku si kuna poromoka jameni?
Yule ameiba pesa the National Youth Service anaswe. Yule ambaye alipiga Isaac Ruto anaswe. Kwa hivyo tunaweza kujenga NASA.
So wakazi wa Bomet huku Teresa kwa kuchagua Isaac Ruto. Ulifanya vizuri na najua huko mbele iko mazuri ambayo iko. Mungu wetu.
Given that the Jubilee Party enjoys support from South Rift region, which happens to be the political backyard of Deputy President William Ruto, the politicians put Ruto on notice that he should not expect to mortgage the people of Rift Valley region for his own political interest.
Sasa kila mtu anadaiwa karibu 90,000 shillings mwenye amezaliwa nchi. They have borrowed more than Kibaki borrowed in 10 years. Na wanafanya programs ambayo hatujui. We have not seen any project here in Bomet for 4 years. So what else? Where have they taken the money? Wamepeleka wapi? Wanatengeneza wapi? Wanatuambia wametenga na kutenga. Sasa wametenga mpaka hata wametenga sisi.
Watu waache kutisha sisi. Ati tunaona mnakemea sijui mrengo gani? Ati mnakakaa na nani? Ati wewe hawa ni wa Kenya. Tukikaa na Musalia Mudavadi hapa yeye ni Mkenya. Tukikaa na Gideon Moi hapa yeye ni Mkenya. Tukikaa na Oparanya hapa yeye ni Mkenya. Tukikaa na Kalonzo Musyoka hapa yeye ni Mkenya. Wala kupea sisi mastori hiyo upuzi ya mastori sisi hatutaki.
Conspicuously absent were all governors from Rift Valley region except Isaac Ruto, who was the host. MPs elected on Jubilee ticket also gave the meeting a wide berth, save for Zakeo Cheruiyot and Johanna Ngeno. The opposition leaders hinted that the formation of a national alliance comprising of opposition parties to face a Jubilee was now at an advanced stage.
Mbona sisi hatukuji pamoja tupeleke hawa watu nyumbani? Na hii ndio nafasi yenu.
The political parties that have declined to dissolve and join Jubilee from the Rift Valley region include the Independence Party, KANU, and Chama Cha Mashinai of Governor Isaac Ruto. The parties are pinning their hopes on a possible fallout in Jubilee. Chris Tairu, KTN News.